Hello, welcome. I am Jeffrey McDaniels, Executive Director and Chief Instructor of SCM Trainer. So you want to obtain an APICS certification. This short and formal video provides an overview of the certification training journey and highlights what is required to achieve the certification. So let's get started. Wow, that's fantastic. I can appreciate your desire to obtain an APICS supply chain certification. What a level of achievement that will be. Successful completion of learning supply chain key concepts, best practices, technologies, and terminologies combined with passing the APICS certification exam is a huge step forward in expanding your supply chain knowledge, skills, and professional competencies. So what does it take to achieve an APICS certification? Well, after obtaining all of the APICS certifications and most of the certificates myself, as well as teaching thousands of supply chain professionals over the years, I believe that I have a clear understanding of what it takes to become an APICS certified professional. So, the three essential tasks are plan, execute, and validate. Planning is our first essential task. After becoming familiar with the learning resources online and then completing the online course pretest, you will need to develop your own personalized learning plan. Plan your time, your study time, frequency, and duration of each study session. Your plan is your guide to your study execution. Therefore, make sure the plan is realistic and achievable. Execute the learning, your study time. That's step 2 of the essential tasks. Break your study time down to small study blocks, chunks, of just 30 minutes each or so. No need to spend greater time studying at one time. My preferred method is to insert my study time within my normal workday. Maybe 30 minutes before work, 30 minutes at lunch, and maybe another 30 minutes at the end of the day for 3, maybe 4 days per week. Just make it happen, or as Nike states, just do it. By the way, this task is where many students fall short. They do not do the required time of study and take the time to learn the course material. And the final step is validating your understanding. First, in classroom discussions with the instructor and other students to validate your full understanding of the material. Secondly, taking, learning, and retaking each of the section quizzes. You will see the question-answer rationales for each questions. Great way to learn the material. Thirdly, take and learn from the online practice tests. And finally, demonstrate and validate your knowledge on the certification exam. Those that complete all of the quizzes and exams, the practice exams online, are successful in passing the APICS certification exam. So in summary, these are the 3 essential tasks: planning the study, execution of the study plan, and then validating your understanding of the course material. Failure to accomplish these basic 3 tasks typically result in the student not taking the exam or not successfully passing it. I've had very few students that have passed the certification exam without doing the required study. Well, I hope I did not scare you. These tasks are strongly recommended. Any supply chain professional, from my experience, can obtain an APICS certification if you complete these 3 basic tasks. Thank you for your time and interest in APICS Supply Chain Management certifications and in learning more about SCM Trainer. Supply chain leaders worldwide prefer APICS certifications, and APICS certifications are the most recognized of all supply chain management certifications. All the best. Hope to see you in class. Thank you for your time.